to second half of the game, and the scorelines remain South 1-0, Senegal 1.
Welcome to the second half of the game here. It's Senegal who certainly will start us on the way with the maroon runs into the box. Once again, it has been a very much quiet day, quiet evening here. Cross Sports Studio for the very first game of the African Games. Adis and trying to find a way out to get his teammates moving forward. It hasn't really worked to perfection for Adis. Let's go with the long balls, the Senegalese. Go return to the half of Senegal. He's up, picks it up. The first tournament started back in 1965 in Brazzaville, Congo, and was won by the Goddess Congo. The first women's tournament started back in 2003 in Abuja, Nigeria, and was won by Nigeria. So between 1991 and 2015, the age limit for men's team was under 23. And the tackle there from Jelle and Sadio. Played away, and here comes Mele. That's a long one deep into the half of Senegal. It's been cut out beautifully. Picked up. And Senegal went up to counter this loose ball as they charge forward. Sayan. Here's Sadio in the box. Sayan looking for space. Then closed down by the South Sudanese. Only as far as Aziz here. And here comes Omar. Omar finds space in Mamadou. There's a push from behind. And that's Silva's treatment. Great advantage to the Senegalese here as they try to find a way to get a second goal. So far, has it been that easy for them? At least they are calmly trying to confuse and make things very much. Because Peter Crowley's twitch here for the South Sudanese. They are ball into the box. And yet again, Shayan has to do with this one, Tim Mushong. Yeah, Lucas just heading to the back of the net. And Mushong really coming in, Shayan with that long ball here. And some of the body of Brigade. She had to tip it up for corner kick. Not movement in the box there for the South Sudanese who really came back from the Senegalese side who really are composed and very much confident as they try to have a second goal here. Really conscious they haven't really been able to get it sorted out. It's easier for the corner kick. Onto the far post here. Senegal will end up here, but the referee spotting a push there in the backyard area. So he gives it up for a frequent goal here by Aziz. Play here. Nice Senegal giving the ball away. That's it, down from behind. And that is ball. Jawa. Whoever he's me. I mean, somebody that harsh words there for the man. Getting the foul on the mark for Jawa. Intention. Maraja won and converted a penalty kick against Central African Republic and eventually gave the South Sudanese players their first ever victory in the under-20 AFCON in Egypt in detentions, in fouls, getting South Sudan into the game. And the ball into the box. Nobody dared to pass on any of those ball here. And Silva sends another long one here. Toro sends it back in. And South Sudan trying to compose something and in front of the 18-yard box of Senegal, but it's been taken away from them. Now the ball, yes, nobody in particular to pick it up. Sounds very confident playing over the back there, South Sudan again. Just losing possession so easily. Tiki didn't quite get to it. And he's just got support there from a teammate. Looking for a foul there. And again, the referee eventually delayed a little bit, but was able to give the infringement there to South Sudanese Atiki. And that's the reason, captain for the side. It's Chele, that's the way for him to be teammate to Atiki. It is Silva to pick his ball up here for South Sudan. Right in front of him, he has support there. Oh, Lumumba Brown. South Sudanese team have been playing their home matches on the Malakai Stadium and other stadiums as well back home. Well, they know they had a very huge task coming up against the Senegalese. Now the head coach Pilar Felix, who has brought them so far here in Ghana. And also the founder of Black's Future Academy in South Sudan. Some days he's got the chance to produce and get some very good players to be part of this competition. Not too surprised that they are working hard to at least get some of the respect in terms of what they are producing today. It's a champion tournament in this competition, but at least they are hoping they will be able to give Senegal a bit of a scare there. I'm playing 10 minutes already in the second half, and so far it is Sanio's goal that is separating South Sudan and Senegal in this first ever football competition in the 2023 African Games here at Accra Sports Stadium. Senegal and Uganda, another game to look out for. Nigeria and Uganda, I should say. Other countries really have performed quite interesting in this competition so far. With Cameroon, we made 4 appearances there and they picked up gold medals in 1991 competition, and again it's a far here. Madud for South Sudan. In for next step by Dauda, gets the ball there, Kamara has to get the ball away. In Senegal, seeing some bit of interesting passes there. And South Sudan calmly gets the goalkeeper himself involved. They are really got a lot of players to run the ball there and see if they can create some openings. And he goes in Aziza, and the very uncomfortable tackle there from Atiki. That's put it from his teammate on this tackle of Aziz. Ooh, that's a very cynical tackle there from Aziz. Ooh. Should get you a round of defense there. It's going to be the first substitution there for Senegal, and here comes Mamadou Sarr, who plays his back football for Environment Foot in Senegal. And he's in to take out Mami Sanyang, who plays his back football for Diamba FC. Yesale also in Senegal. So another forward introduced into the game. More goals in the competition. Big time is a corner kick there. But to the guard there, Paulson. Sadio missing it. Pushing it back again to Sadio to see if they can connect. And here comes this there, but again it goes wide. From our with our effort. Having here there. Chile. Switch play, looking for Jar, who's been black outside already. An interesting call there by the assistant referee on the far side. It's to be a very no side anyway, but the flag already gone, decision taken. And Senegal would have to push on to see if they can get a second here. And here they go again, the Senegalese. Sayang. On the left foot here, drops his team in. Sayang gets and been taken out there by South Sudan. Badut on the ball here. South Sudan looking to break. Here comes Ja. Badut's running and looking for the return of the ball. Badut gets it. And Aziz with a final touch there for a corner kick advantage. South Sudan. I don't see a ball there from Sayang. Was able to cut in and Mitchell, the youngest player. The South Sudanese team was able to play his lines. Exciting there for the team. That they should have got the goalkeeper was actually given there by the referee. Jenna picked it up for South Sudan. Atiki. Back to Atiki. Jenna. 1-2 play there with Atiki. Good play there from Atiki. Jenna well, and here comes Jawa. Jawa. And opportunity for South Sudan. Ooh, just a minute for there for Mario. For the referee spotting, and a Freeman already. And then an interesting play there from South Sudan. Atiki, Jawa, Mario combined beautifully to see if they can get a equalizer goal there for the bright stars of South Sudan. Another deal of mini meetings going on between the Senegalese players, looking to fine-tune some of the mistakes the bowling have given up there to the South Sudanese. The competition, seeing the likes of Cameroon picking up gold medals in football competition back in 1991, 1999, 2003, and 2007 as well, Egypt. The men's football competition in 87 and 1995. Got Nigeria also getting access to the gold medal in men's football in 1973. Burkina Faso also picked up the trophy back in 2019 and 2011. I had an opportunity to pick up a gold medal there in the men's football competition. And Senegal was back in 2015 and Congo 1978 was when they won the competition. Well, as I take his effort here, the combination with Jawa. And his effort there. Now the current champions, Burkina Faso, beat Nigeria 2-0. But now here at the Crossport Stadium, it's still here, South Sudan, nil, Senegal 1. Here Congo and Ghana do have a date tomorrow. Then the opening ceremony happening at the Lagos Stadium. And the 13th Africa Games 2023 here in Accra. Set piece opportunity there for South Sudan. Jawa. Move around and Jawa. Jawa looks to pick this one straight to the wall there. Jawa again. Go on, does it work? Beautiful. Mario. Bishop. To pick up Atiki. There's a bowling play. Mario spread play to the far side. Going to try and get to Aziz. Well, they've been trying to come out of their own shells there, South Sudan, to see if they can pass under the pressure. And Senegal. Janet. control. Alright, there for the Senegalese, they are pretty much contesting. And the guy, I think he was working hard and showing that at least they will be able to get something going. So yeah, has been working hard this evening. So we're going to try to put some of pressure on his team to make sure he gets the ball straight to the team and ensure that at least he's able to put the two more sort of set pieces of changes given to the Senegalese AI. Don't be substitution there by the Senegalese, at least they still want to get things going. Okay, Salut, back kick, yeah. Well, the referee having a very tough time dealing with the players that's playing up here in the Crossbar Stadium. A chance there for the likes of Lamine Mbenge, another forward player who plays for the Mali FC in Senegal. A chance maybe to play a part in the game. Silva is already on the yellow card. Silva should be very careful. Last attempt there to put it in a very awkward position. Check. Tijian Star, another attacking player who plays for also FA in Senegal, also get the chance to play a part. And he's coming for the goal scorer, Sheikh Mamadou Sadio, who scored a goal in the first half. It's been withdrawn, and his place will be taken there by Sheikh Tijian Star.
Substitution by Team Senegal. Player number 8, Mamadou Lamine Sadio, going out to player number 10.
Trying to develop attacking players in the game. Last guy, Sayan here. This is Sayan. Sends one into the far post. And Senegal may have to. See what the on the side. Approaching last 20 minutes of the game. Here at Brass Sports here for match day 1 of the best football competition in the Africa Games in South Sudan. They also Senegal 1. South Sudan last 20 minutes, last stoppage time to see if they can salvage something in this game, South Sudan. That's it here. Kamara. Senegal looking to have a defense to pass. And Kamara to go through. And away there for the Senegalese again. Aziz. Kamara. Senegal here. Senegal. Aziz. Kamara, express play to the left hand side beautifully. Well, couldn't quite deal with the situation there for the man who was just into the game. I mean, in Bengay. The possession back to the Senegalese. Okay, he's trying to set going for the second. We're going to far, yes, there you go. Kamara. You say that you got the ball at the line. That's not the way.
Hey, but I want to come to the family.
Forward. And haven't been able to set some bit of influence in the game in the middle. They say they are defending champions some years back, 2015. And the South Sudanese have really given them a lot of step there and again, a chance that's not really wide. And then I mean, a right opportunity once again to look at his shot. The Jordan was just waiting for him. The quality of pass that came in from his teammates. When you saw, just couldn't quite connect, so he was good at that better. What's the break here? Quarter break.
72 minutes of play, the referee has allowed a full break.
Well, the two teams really have worked out in this competition, trying to see what can be done. It's the Senegalese who have the upper hand, control the game well, they have scored goals. We talk about the 1991-2015 age limit of men's team was under 23, same as the age limit in football competitions at the Summer Olympics, but since 2019, age limit for men's team was under 20. Men's football was held almost every session since 1965. Much in this competition, and so Adiz is out for Kennedy Juma Sabat Martin, who plays for Alatai FC. FC belong in South Sudan, and he comes in to replace
Substitution by
Adiz,
player number 17, Jacob Carlo, running out the player number 19.
Tampang FC Kenya.
Transmark to Sudan. The June 30th, Martin Robles, Jacob Carlo.
Some players they introduced into the team here to ensure that at least they're able to find a way out. That's it by the they haven't been, the South Sudanese. Here comes Senegal, again intercepted by the South Sudanese, who try to stop all the runs there from Senegal. Silva. Senegal have been able to keep Manu's bay, hasn't contributed much in the game, and there you have the head coach for the side, Felix Jawa. Tiki. Nice speed and support there from Lele. Straight to Bishop. Jelen. So play there from Jelen captain. I'm not too sure what his internet pass was for the last 10 minutes of the game already at the Crossbow Stadium. South Sudan still down by 4-0. And we've got the last 10 minutes or so to see if they can salvage something in this game. The judges defeat for South Sudan, and the trade side was, in fact, they were dropping, they had in the hands of Gambia. And if they were able to show us back, so pick up a win against Uganda. And a 1-0 win against Central African Republic as well. And losing to Congo. That's enough of the best of that from yeah. Senegal really was up to take some interesting ways to the competition so far today. 2-0 win against Gambia as well, and 3-0 win against Tunisia. Senegal. Appears they sticking to the game plan of being calm on the ball and making life making the goal for the South Sudanese. Oh, lovely he's over there from Sar. Sar into the box, Sar to the ball back, and Senegal, let's see if they can get a second here. They can't just lose possession. One there, good front from Sar. And again, it's been Nick wide. Alright, come on. What a run there, runs from the young man. From Sar. And again, just in quite a situation with how he went to Ron Bennett. For space. Yeah, the airport there, a little bit of a ball. Okay, just couldn't work out. South Sudan working with them. Maintained on behalf go home with the same scoreline they currently do have against Senegal. Duke looking for Jawa, and then down South Sudan here. Good break. Oh, they play away. Okay, giving the ball away, and good turn there from South Sudan. And put it on straight there, so they're getting some bit of medical attention. That is where Senegal can punish Sian. Sian still wants to contend with Sian. That's in beautifully to the box. Sian. Looking for support. For handball situation. They continue as the referee. Tackle comes in here. South Sudanese will have the opportunity to get themselves out, fall off the line. Effective play, beautifully, but this is the referee. as he's here. Little play of South Sudan down and he's the attention Mario. This is where Mario went to ground. He shows a hamstring injury there for Mario and needs to be dealt with. The last 5 minutes of the game, another time. Looking like a win there for the Senegalese. The Young Lions of Senegal, current champions of the 20 Africa Cup of Nations. They also won the AFCON and Chan. One of the very first times Senegal qualified for the World Cup was back in 2015. They managed to qualify for the semi-final until they lost against Brazil. That was a 5-0 drubbing, their biggest defeat. For South Sudan with a chance here. And again, they may look for the penalty goal here. Again, lacking the experience, clearly showing in the efforts to surprise the Senegalese. We're looking to pick up a draw here maybe, and the rest goes for infringement. Against very well. Into the way Majid was able to control well, and again the crossbar. Prince was not completely beaten. I'll pick something else before I hit the back of the net there. It's not that would have been excited about it. And even able to pick a point there in this game. The very first appearance at the Africa Games against the Young Lions of Senegal. That's 3 minutes of the game is where we are. The captain for the side, Jellet, would want to deal with this one for the South Sudanese, the bright stars of South Sudan. Captain for the side. And the side said Joseph Jellet, and substitution here for South Sudan, and so they're going to withdraw Mario. So Mario is out for his shattered run off World Cup.
Coming in for player number 8, Mario Albano.
And Young in the service chat, Christopher. You go Young to face for Shea Bukamsi, and Jellet up on the line. So he comes into Christopher Egon, replaces Java. The last minutes, 2 minutes or so, and at a time in the game. And fairly good competition there for Livingston, South Sudan. And he really sort of award by the imposing figure of the Young Lions of Terenga. They held their own, received the goal in the first half. And been able to a bit of a frustration there on the captain for the Senegalese side. Only Diop just uncharacteristically in the ball, nobody in particular to the stance there because it was completely not there by the South Sudanese. Another ball straight into the half for the South Sudanese here. struggle. Getting the control of Saab. Really thinks it's really it. Again, the players are just not able to emotionally control themselves and too many struggling and pushing in there. Situation really getting a bit chaotic there. We took the last the stoppage time of the game. The players from South Sudan and Senegal just can't quite find a way to agree on what decision should be taken on the pitch there by the referee to establish authority and control affairs there. The two teams. Oh, the yellow card for that foul there, and another one to Senegalese. Finally, this decision has been taken. Quite tempest, be calm here. Daniel Downing. The shot, the young man. Give it a chance here. With a yellow card. Yeah, the shot. Within 4 minutes of our time. Stop.
The referee has indicated another call time of dormant. The ball is so
Seyan. Good chance here, Seyan. And again, the best of there for Seyan hits wide. Still anything for the Senegalese, still pushing the rebound. Oh, he's been given it away, opportunity for Senegal to make the two. Not too sure what the plan was. Absolutely disappointing. I was looking at, we're going to have poorly played defensively, and when the opportunity came here, just couldn't quite control well. We spent 2 minutes of the performance by the time in this game, and here comes South Sudan. There's a chance here. And with the yellow card, big shot. Dorival is going to make way for his teammates. Mustafa Guy also plays for ASC Jarrah the Dakar, and Nancy take over from Dorival, who also plays for AS Dakar Sacré Coeur in Senegal. The defender here. Midfielder. Indicated they respect Senegal very much coming to this competition. South Sudan and Senegal in Britain as the tournament favourites are going to achieve a lot. At the 20 level, being at the World Cup as well. So the debut performance in the competition, South Sudan, much of a back performance for them at all. They have held their own here in this game. They have kept in play. Kevin Senegal in the play sometimes. You can see the experience of time varying in the performance of Sudan. I tell you what, they'll probably be looking back into this performance and think they may have a chance to make themselves one of the exciting teams in the competition so far. A bit defensive minded, maybe. You know the strength of the Senegalese side. They have the opportunity to make sure they don't concede too many. And so it is the end of the first game of match day 1 of the Africa Games men's football competition. The goal there from Senegal's Mamadou Lamine Sadio that changed the complexion of the game, that changed the mood for the South Sudanese. Having a deadly performance in this tournament. And the first half, they were left down by a goal there by Sadio. But as it finished here, with the Senegalese, one of the favorites of the competition, the South Sudanese know that they can come back again maybe, because they have a South Sudan 0, Senegal 1.
Okay, thank you for watching. Be with us. We're going to bring you the next game in a short minute. The next game starts at 8 p.m. and we're going to bring it to you live here on TV.